In today's world, almost everything we touch is connected through technology. The amount of data and information we upload to the cloud continues to increase. The field of cybersecurity is what keeps that data secure. Cybersecurity is a high-paying, fast-growing field that has an ever-increasing demand for trained cybersecurity professionals. This is where we come in. Introducing breach-ttx, the future of workforce development in cybersecurity. breach-ttx is a gamified cybersecurity tabletop training exercise informed by reputable cybersecurity sources and real-world cyber breaches. This is no ordinary gamified experience. breach-ttx is a game of strategy. Play solo or assemble your team of up to 6 players. You work at a multinational company and your global offices are all under attack. Only you and your team can protect us. Assemble your team of experts and we'll give you the resources you need. Defend your offices, resolve cyber threats. Learn how to defend yourself and your company from cybercrime. We are all depending on you.